Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this March the 13th, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Wednesday out there so far. Everybody has a great Wednesday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Also, make sure you subscribe today. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and consider subscribing. Love to have you. Also, like these videos, share these videos on social media. And we're going to be discussing in today's video your forecast for Thursday and Friday, the weather radar across the nation, the Watchers Warning Advisory map, and also some severe weather for your Thursday and Friday. So let's go ahead and get the show on the road here, folks. Alrighty. As you can see here, we got some mixed precipitation, more mixed precipitation over here in portions of South Dakota, Nebraska. Stretching through Colorado, Kansas, down into New Mexico, Arizona, back over to southern Nevada, also into Utah and southern Wyoming. Got some heavy snow possible in portions of New Mexico, Colorado, Wyoming region, Utah, a little bit in Arizona, a little bit in New Mexico region as well. Alright, got a little bit of shower activity over southeast California and Arizona. More thunderstorms and showers over here in portions of Texas. Stretching all the way in the Gulf of Mexico, stretching to the Florida Panhandle, all the way up to portions of West Virginia, Pennsylvania, New York State, also into Michigan, Wisconsin, also in Iowa. The yellow slashed area here, there may be some severe weather from portions of Indiana all the way down to Arkansas and Tennessee, Texas area. Some flash flooding and heavy rain possible in portions of Kentucky, Tennessee, Mississippi, Louisiana, Texas, and the Arkansas and Oklahoma region as well. Got a little bit of shower activity in portions of Kansas, Nebraska, South Dakota, Minnesota, and again up here in portions of Maryland and Connecticut. In New Jersey region, northern Maine, and again from D.C. to the Carolinas, much of Florida, including Keys, Cuba, Jamaica, down toward the Yucatan Peninsula, much of Mexico, Gulf of California, pretty much the west coast from California, Washington State, all the way back over to portions of northern Minnesota and northern Wisconsin regions as well. All of this activity is for your Thursday, March 14th. All right, let's move on to the forecast for your Friday. Portion of Wisconsin and northern Michigan. We got thunderstorms and showers up here from New York State to the Carolinas, back down to the all the way, Gulf of California, excuse me, into Mexico, Yucatan Peninsula, Jamaica, Cuba, Bahamas, central southern Florida, Florida Keys, Oklahoma as well. All of this activity is for your Friday, March 15th. Alright, now we're going to take a look at the weather radar here in a minute. Hopefully it'll pop up here. Got some thunderstorm warnings up here in portions of Illinois, Missouri, and again over here in portions of Kansas region. More scattered activity. Nebraska, Kansas, all the way back into Oklahoma, North Texas, also into New Mexico, Arizona, back over toward Nevada, Utah, Idaho, and portions of Montana. Getting some activity in your region. Elsewhere, pretty much is quiet at times. The southeast looks pretty quiet. No warning and advisory map you're locating across the nation. Hopefully it'll pop up here in a minute. Well, alright, well there it is. It finally came up. Next week never showed up, so well that's good. But anyway, we got some Jersey, Delaware vicinity. Still got those river flood warnings from up here near Connecticut. Through the Carolinas, southern portion of Nebraska and Kansas have been posted for you guys. Winter high wind watches there in portion of New Mexico. Wind advisory there in New Mexico as well. And wind advisory has also been posted for portions of northwestern Colorado, northern Utah, southern Nevada, much of California with some craft advisories extending from up here. Gale warnings also extending from Washington State down to California, and a little bit of storm warning statements inland, and some wind chill warnings there as well. Alright, Storm Prediction Center time. This will be for your Thursday outlook. Alright, you can see we got some general thunderstorms over here in portion of Flagstaff, Arizona, back just east of Cedar City, and also Durango, Colorado areas. And also we got general thunderstorms from Buffalo, New York, all the way down to Birmingham, Alabama, Mobile, and also New Orleans. Also to San Antonio, to Abilene, back up toward Des Moines, and also La Crosse areas of many Wisconsin area. Alright, if you live in the darker green area, this is the marginal risk from Detroit to Fort Wayne to Columbus, also to Indianapolis, down to Louisville, Bowling Green, Nashville, all the way down to Greenville, Mississippi, down toward Lupton, Texas, Norman, Oklahoma. And if you're in the yellow here, this is from Waco to Dallas, over toward Little Rock, up toward Springfield, Perdera, also over toward Hannibal, Jefferson City. You're in a slight risk for severe weather, and we have an enhanced risk if you're in Springfield, just east of Tuscaloosa, and also down just east of Norman, and also east of Fort Steele. Alright, this is pretty much Fayetteville, Arkansas, Springdale, Arkansas, and Rogers, Arkansas as well areas for the enhanced risk area. Alright, let's look at the tornado probability for your Thursday. Alright, we have a 2% from Detroit, Michigan, all the way down to Waco and Dallas, Texas area and surrounding vicinities. Also, we have a Springfield up toward Jefferson City and up toward Hannibal for a 5% risk for tornadoes. In that where yet there it is. Alright, if you're in the 30% area, you're in Fort Smith, Fayetteville, Arkansas, Russellville, Arkansas, Van Buren, Arkansas, and this area stretching up into portion of Missouri. If you live into Springfield, Hannibal, up towards Fort Wayne area. Now let's take a look at the large hail. And also into Dallas, you are in the 15% area, and like I said, that's pretty much where the severe weather would take place at toward Lupton, Texas, toward Alexandria, and just around Shreveport, Louisiana, Jackson, Mississippi, Greenville, Mississippi, toward Birmingham, Alabama, and just west of Atlanta, Georgia. Let's take a look at the probability. What percent? I'm not even gonna worry about that. But 5% in this area here, from Birmingham back to Lupton over to west Atlanta. That's a 5% risk area. It's gonna go off